Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Hourglass in Pokémon TCG Pocket. To use Hourglass in Pokémon TCG Pocket, first open the app and tap to start. You'll land on a main screen where you can try opening booster packs. If you've already used your free pack opens for the day, don't worry, you can still use your Hourglass to skip the wait. Just look at the top right corner to see how many Hourglasses you have. If you're out of opens, the app will automatically give you the option to spend 14 hourglasses to reduce the cooldown and open another pack instantly. You can also access this feature from the home screen or the pack opening menu. It's a quick way to keep the fun going without waiting, especially if you're eager to unlock more cards. Just make sure to use your hourglasses wisely. They can really come in handy when you're grinding for that one rare card. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.